Isa sa mga sumisikat na pasyalan ngayon ay hindi matatagpuan sa mga malls o sa beach, kundi sa mga kagubatan. Forest hiking at trekking ay isa sa mga uso ngayon. Marami-rami na ang naghahangad na mag-camping at ibig madiskubre muli ang ginhawa ng kalikasan. And Mount Purro Nature Reserve sa Antipolo ang isa sa mga nag-o-offer ng ganitong klaseng attraction. Pero maliban dito, may isa pa silang offer na hindi mawawala sa anumang pasyalan. At ito ay ang chibugan. At matitikman nyo ang masarap nilang luto sa kanilang Loli'S Kitchen.
It's Loli'S Kitchen because, well, number one, it's run by our mom, si Loli. So, nag-umpisa siya kasi una gusto namin pangalanan yung dining area namin. So, instead of calling it just a mess hall, we wanted to sort of brand it. So, we wanted to name it, and the name that we thought of was Loli'S Kitchen. Well, it was siguro out of necessity because we would have guests who stay overnight. So it was just fitting for us to put up a restaurant to serve food for our guests. We serve Filipino home-style cooking, but it's not only limited to Filipino dishes. Of course, as Filipinos, we love different cuisines. So we serve Filipino food, sometimes Thai food. We serve American food. Iba-iba eh. Depende talaga dun sa menu for the day. So Loli'S Kitchen, it's open to the public, usually by reservation, but we also have walk-in guests who go to Mount Purro Nature Reserve for the day, so they can also avail of food in Loli'S Kitchen. So we serve breakfast, we serve morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, and then dinner by reservation at the moment. But we plan on turning it into really a full-scale restaurant to cater to the Filipinos who really love food, who go places really just to eat. Food trip.
Sa malabahay kubo niyang itsura, ang Loli'S Kitchen ay preskong-presko ang dating sa sino mang kakain dito. At kahit ano pang o-orderin nyo, makakasiguro kayo na lutong bahay ang lahat ng ito.
Another thing that makes Loli'S Kitchen very special or unique is that a lot of our ingredients, we source them from the local community. So here in Barangay Calawis, there are plenty of local farmers, including the Dumagats, who are the indigenous tribe here in Barangay Calawis. We have a lot of feedback from our guests who come here, and they say that dining in Loli'S Kitchen or dining in Mount Purro Nature Reserve is just like eating at home. So it's very homey and it's a very pleasant dining experience because it's like you're eating at a friend's house or at your lola's house or at your own house with your friends, your family. So I guess that's what makes us unique.
Kaya kapag nagutom kayo sa Antipolo, Loli'S Kitchen po ang hanapin nyo. Sa Mount Purro Nature Reserve lang po.
So I'm inviting everyone again to come to Mount Purro Nature Reserve and dine at Loli'S Kitchen. It's a very unique and special dining experience because it will bring you at the comfort of your own home, because we call Mount Purro Nature Reserve your outdoor home away from home. So come here and we look forward to meeting you.